Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today I am going to show about the Smart SMT tester. I'll be unboxing the Smart SMT tester here. So you can see here this is Mastic Smart SMT tester. The model number for this Smart SMT tester is MS8910 here. You can see. So if you see how this Smart SMT tester looks like, this is like something that. So this has auto power on off functionality. The model number is MS8910 written here, right? And you can also see here this is scan mode given, the auto mode given, and the diode mode given. Then you can measure the value of resistance, capacitance, inductor. Okay, here it has given two more buttons. So this is button 1 and button 2, and now you can see here this is two knob which holds the SMT component. If you rotate it, you can find the silent feature of this Smart SMT tester. So this is display 3000 counts, auto and manual ranging, and it has auto power on off system. And you can see here this is CE certified and it has also RoHS compliant. So let me open the box now and show you how it looks like, how the Smart SMT tester looks like, right? So here you can see that is how it looks like. So if you open this box, so you can see this is the Smart SMT tester, right? And here you can see there is a two knobs, and here you can see you have power on off button. So if you on off from here, you can see something. Right now it's in diode mode, and by pressing this you can change the mode here. So this is look like twice, and this is here, this is now auto mode. If you press, this is in scan mode. If you press again, this is auto mode, and if you press again, this is the continuity mode, and if you press again, this is diode, capacitor, scan, auto, and continuity. So this is very useful to test the SMT, test the value of SMT components. Okay, so hope you understand the role of use of Smart SMT tester. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.